rather than strange case. It's a very popular case, but no way to cure in conventional method. That is so-called the muscle becoming weak, weakening of muscle. Muscular dystrophy, they call it. Muscular dystrophy. Muscle become weak. Now, like this. Muscles becoming more and more weak and weaker and diminish muscles. Diminish. Okay? So, what nourishment-wise, what is lacked? Muscle diminish. What lacks? What is it? Nourishment, nutrients. Muscle is composed with what? Muscle. Protein. So, protein and fat. So usually, of course, medication is started goes, but in hospitals or doctors advise patient eat more meat, poultry, eggs, in order to build muscles, which never work. Which never getting worse goes. What is the particular food which makes this? Anyone? Chicken. Very good. Cause very young by eating mainly chicken. She or he is becoming now chicken. Chicken. Become chicken leg, chicken hand. So, when this patient walk like chicken walk, goes, their tension goes, because wings start to come out, tension goes, tension. Sometimes here also, very hard fat gatherings. You know chicken is like that. When you touch it, becoming chicken. But hospital doctor thinks this is reducing loss of muscle, so we must supply more chicken. More meat, more chicken, animal protein, animal fat, chickens, etc., etc. Okay? Become worse and worse and worse. Okay? So you must know, muscle is protein, bone is mineral like calcium, etc., etc. But therefore, if for muscle, then supply protein. If the bone supply minerals, that idea can't work. Right? Cannot work that idea. Right? That is modern dietary approach. If they want to adapt diet, but that can't work. In this case, must completely stop chicken, egg, meat, it's all animal food must stop. Except if he wants to eat occasional fish. And must go grain, vegetable, beans, the standard macrobiotics. Then this can be cured so easily. Okay? All right?